Hello and welcome to the desk of Fusta 2005. Today we're going to be unboxing and kind of doing a quick overview of the new Mophie Juice Pack Air. Now you're probably asking, but didn't you just do a review or a unboxing on the Mophie Juice Pack? And my answer will be yes, I did. That one was the Juice Pack Access, their new design where it's open in the bottom. And I said I was going to do a review of it later. About 3-4 days in, I was like, I can't do this. So fortunately, they came out with the same day I thought about returning the Juice Pack Access. They came out with the Juice Pack Air, which is very similar to their previous models. It's basically the same thing as the speakers on the bottom. We'll take a look at it here. But yeah, so I would not recommend the Juice Pack Access for me personally, and anybody who wants their phone completely covered. Additionally, the battery life on it was pretty bad. I left it on the case. I charged it overnight completely without having the phone in it, and it only charged my. I got down to 20% one day, and it only went up to I turned it on. It only went up to like 45%. So not quite sure what the deal is. It has a pretty big battery. In fact, the Juice Pack Access is bigger than this particular battery. So we'll see how this one does. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to give an overview of why I didn't do a review of the Juice Pack Access. I just sent it back. They refunded me. They do have a 30-day money back return policy. So I went ahead and returned it and got all my money back, and so then I just put it back into this one. So this has some different packaging. It's a little bit harder to open, but you can just push it open here, and it's just got a little black thing with Mophie on the front there. This is the Juice Pack Air for the iPhone XX Max, iPhone XS Max. Just flips open here, kind of tells you what we're gonna deal with, what the idea is. So 34 hours of battery on that's including your phone. So it's not it's not 34 extra hours of battery, which I think some people misunderstand sometimes. But yeah, so I mean, I've had my iPhone XS Max here for since January, I think, was when I bought it. So I've had it like 8 months, and I probably get, I work from home. I'm on my phone constantly. I probably get I start about 9 o'clock in the morning. It's probably dead probably in 6 hours. So if this gives me, the rest of the day, I'll be happy. But if it again goes from 20 to 45%, I'm probably gonna try to find something else. I mean, they used to have back on the iPhone 6 and 7. I mean, it would charge from 20 to 80%. I mean, it wasn't a full charge, but you had, it was a good 60% that it would charge up to, and I really wish they would get back to that if they haven't with this one. But this is brand new. There aren't any reviews actually on it. If you go look at their website, there might be one now, but as of last week, they didn't have any reviews. There's nothing on Amazon kind of stuff. But yeah, it just kind of goes through how many hours of consistent usage you can get out of it. So if I can get a good 18 hours, if I can get 18 hours from my phone and the battery pack, I will be doing just fine. So yeah, let's open it up here, see what we got. So like I said, it's very similar So you just take it up here. You got your regular manual, which is pretty standard, and obviously Mophie loves you. That's always been there. Kind of a pick me up for the day. But yeah, this is it's actually pretty light. You know, I figured this would be pretty heavy, being a battery. I mean, this is actually lighter than the Access, which makes sense. They do have a bigger battery, so I'm hoping this does do some charging. But yeah, so it covers your phone completely. It actually has, instead of they used to have micro USB down here, so they actually have a lightning pass-through, which is cool. You don't have to. It doesn't come with a cable, so you can use you can use a cable that you have. They do sell them. They do sell lightning cables, but you know, now that they use lightning cable, you can use any standard Apple one or any other one you want. I would probably use the Apple one, since this has probably been cleared by Apple as an acceptable accessory. So yeah, it's got kind of got a soft touch on it, like the Access did. You push the button, and as you can see, it's not charged, so you will need to charge it up fully before you start using it. So it's pretty sturdy. It's got the shock protectors here on it, on the side, and you know, you got your buttons for your volume and your sleep switch. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll go ahead and put it on my phone, and we'll just do I'll go ahead. I'll probably do a review for this. I'm hoping I don't want to send this back within a few days. So I'll go ahead and test it out, and let you guys know if you guys have bought this particular model. Like I said, this is brand new. Probably been around for about 2 weeks now. So yeah, if you got one and you have some experience, go ahead, put some comments down in the comment section. As always, like and subscribe if you want to, and we'll see you on the next one.